while the opposition were on social media, even some declaring themselves yesterday as winners yesterday, before even the election started, they declared themselves as winners. And I'm happy also because therefore yesterday, no, 4 days ago, one of the leaders of the coalition made a prophecy that anybody that wins AMAC, because it's it's the most cosmopolitan community in the FCT, the person has won the election in 2027. So we see these elections as a dress rehearsal. We see this election as a dress rehearsal of 2027, and the prophecy made by the opposition was fulfilled yesterday. Therefore, I thank the opposition for the prophecy, and I thank them for believing that we can win the election, and we've demonstrated the capacity of our party that we can win. While they were on TV, they were on social media, we were with the people, not just in words, but in action. The Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President is people-oriented,